Right then, bit of a different video this time. Seems like a while since I've done it. Just cruising down the motorway, the S5, on the way to Silverstone for a track day, which is not a common occurrence in this country anymore. People not aware, Silverstone don't really do track days anymore. Had to get up very early, like it had a 6 in the number, which I do not like. So hopefully we'll make this an interesting video. You never know. The intro's probably boring. Raining and gridlock. Oh, fancy. There's a lot of stuff going on here. So the lads are having an absolute nightmare. They're not here, so I'm gonna have to try and get out on track on my own for some reason. So dropped a bit of pressure out of my tyres, got my sticker on, got my wristband on. See how you get out on track. I don't know even where to go. I should have read instructions really. I'll go this way. I think this will be right. So good first session. The oil temps do still get a bit high on this. Not very impressed with that. Maybe I'll get another video to do with that. But track was pretty quiet. I never checked, but I thought we were on GP track until I had to turn right and not go through Maggots and Beckett's flat out. So yeah, the car felt good. Brakes are definitely marginal. At a fast track like this, I think I need to get some better pads. They're good. They're good for 2 or 3 laps, and then I'll push it a bit hard, and yeah, they got a bit worse. This camera is set up for, pardon me, it is set up for somebody to be passenger side, so I apologise for not being centre off shot. Let me go find some way to dump my stuff. Oh, it's going to get bad. So, busy show, took a long time to get in. Well, the track seems pretty quiet, not quiet, but you know, not ridiculous. Not had to queue up to get on yet. I'm gonna do another session in a minute, try and take some passengers out if I can. The TT's finally here, they've had an absolute nightmare getting here. One of the trailer tyres has popped. That's the second time that's happened, so there's something not right on that corner. Yeah, ready to rock. So, I'll go out in the S5 again, I think. Then up when this is all warmed up, ready to rock. The gearbox is tight. Drifters have absolutely wrecked it.
If we get above, what was that speed, 130?
134.
If we get above 134, we need to hear everything from the crowd. When Jamie says what the speed is, if that speed gets broken.
And that is Bagsy right there, breaking the record with a 135 miles per hour, the fastest so far. 135.
That's the word, yes!
That's
Come on!
From Bagsy, the one and only.
Hello, it's my turn to go out. Oh boy. I've never been through National.
Corner really. Not as bad as international, but
Yeah.
the problem with this is it's not got enough straight line speed for all whoppers that are here.
Yep.
It's not much slower than TT on straights, this though, you know.
Is it?
No. Like that is not the line through this corner.
No. From the outside.
Yeah, why not? The front left tyre feels like it's being absolutely torn.
I can hear it. It's not happy. Jesus.
Yeah, we send it through here, Tom.
110 coolant temps. EGT limiter's working hard.
Is it?
Yeah, I can see it.
This is the overtaking spot, Tom, here.
Here.
Little bit here.
Oh, from the outside.
Yeah, you get, well, in racing you get right, you usually squeeze people there, and then
Yeah.
the outside one is quite hard when you're racing.
Ah.
Feels like it's at like limiting
Yeah, it'll be that coolant temperature one. Oh, why are you there? You know, that's coolant temp. You're at 118.
Is that where it's at?
Yeah, you're at 118 coolant temps.
Like nothing like.
Yeah.
Tail.
Ooh, that's a red
That's
flag.
Second dead Civic. There, that.
Yeah, that's a red flag. Looks like he dropped the wheel. Yes, he's dropped the wheel.
Has he?
Yeah, he's lost the wheel.
See, it looked forward, didn't it?
Because the fuel pump that's in the swirl pump is controlled by RPM. When I was revving it, rail pressure wasn't shooting how it's supposed to. So I told Ruben, try and repin the dash back to where it's supposed to be. Let's see if we can get V-box and...
Why does that pump need RPM though? Otherwise it'd just be pumping away all the time.
Yeah, it would be maxed out and it would be wasting a ton of energy.
I think just have that so it comes on straight away.
Straight away.
Yeah,
full
just
bore.
yeah, just so that we're not having.
Yeah.
Cause if that loses Campbell's, that means it's thingy, doesn't it? That's controlled by Campbell's.
Like I'll have a look at DMU once we're back.
Yeah.
So,
What was the issue?
Wires, communication wires between that, the engine ECU that's under there and the dashboard over here. For some reason they don't really like to talk to each other, so I think we fixed the wiring issue. I don't know, we'll have to see. It's all in the name of the game.
Can you give us a rundown of how it's going so far?
Well, let's go and have a visual. It's a 1 mile queue. I'd say it's about a mile to get on track. The Jaguar's just absolutely smashed it to bits. I ain't even had a proper go in TT yet. I ain't had a chance to get anybody out properly. So we'll get there eventually though.
How is it?
Wicked fast.
Yeah?
I managed to exploit the car's full potential. Yeah, not far off anyway. Yeah, there are a lot of people on track, but not a lot of fast cars here. They're not fast in corners, but you don't catch them up too quick, so it's not like you're just going around catching them. Yeah, good. Good car feels mint now. Another wiring problem fixed. Yeah, sound,
You see them out there on circuit enjoying the action. Sadly though, action being brought to a halt for the moment. Red flag.
track is opening back up in 15 minutes and we're all just doing, I think we could do rock, paper, scissors, we could pull straws, or we could have a fight to see who gets to go out of passenger ride next. He's not having another go though.
If he has another go, he'll buy one.
He's buying one. All his money's, no more to beef, he's buying an Audi.
I'm going to say, the thrillers on Facebook, Part X.
Yeah.
surprised. I'm surprised they didn't get back black flag for that.
Well, I think they don't care today.
No. The sequential works so good.
Good, isn't it? Cheers, Tom.
Sounds like manifolds broke off from it.
What's happened, Rod? You've broken my turbo to manifold gasket, I think.
I take it as a compliment.
Yeah, yeah. Did you enjoy it while you were there, though?
Yeah. I can see the issue.
We ain't done one of them for ages.
No?
No.
Switch in. Come on. Ignition on.
Put it in neutral.
Starter.
Yeah, starter's gone.
Yeah, that's starter.
Cut the show. So we've had a good day at Silverstone. Couple little issues. We've got a turbo gasket problem on the TT, but it's just what happens when you're running 1,000 degrees EGTs constantly and then stopping and starting to get passengers in. But it's happened here now and not next week at the track, where we might not have everything we need to fix it, or at least as much stuff as we've got at work. Then the starter motor decided to die. Don't know why, but it's dead. So that's another thing to fix. Other than that, the TT were good. Didn't quite get the testing we wanted to try some tyre and stuff, but very busy on track. There's going to be a lot of stuff on the cutting room floor from today that really we shouldn't do. But anyway, yeah. And the S5 are alright. Oil cooler problems still, but giving us something else to do. The lads are look like they're not got a lot to do at the minute, so we'll just keep giving them work. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Nailed it. Nailed it.
Sorry, Aaron, I've got to look professional.
It's all good.